look at this cute little character. Now look at the awful scribble I started with on a piece of paper. Absolutely mind-blowing, right? Illustrator Beta's brand new AI just did this in seconds. And today I'm going to show you how to pull off this witchcraft yourself. Right, so we are kicking things off the old school way. I've just grabbed a plain old piece of paper and a pen, and I'm putting together a super quick, arguably terrible scribble of a little character right here at my desk. The lines are completely messy, there are smudges everywhere, and honestly, it looks a bit like a toddler's masterpiece. But that is exactly the point. We want to see if Illustrator's new AI can actually take this raw, chaotic paper sketch and transform it into a glorious vector, or if it's just going to completely lose its mind trying. Let's see what happens. So, our beautifully chaotic, incredibly messy paper sketch is officially ready. Now, let's fire up the brand new Illustrator Beta and see if this AI witchcraft can actually make some sense of my terrible drawing. Right, so once your sketch is in the Illustrator Beta, head up to Window and turn on Sketch to Vector, or just make sure your contextual taskbar is active. The second you select your drawing, boom, the Sketch to Vector button pops up right there on the bar. Let's click that. Now, you can type a custom prompt here if you want, and you can also choose from different AI models down here, but I'm going with Gemini 3.1. Hit Generate, give it a few quick seconds to do its generative wizardry, and there you go. Our clean vector is absolutely ready. Wow. Okay, now that is an absolutely cracking result. There's just one tiny little hiccup we need to sort out. Because I did this rough sketch on a scrap piece of paper, the doodles from the back are actually bleeding through, which has left our character's head looking a bit chaotic. But honestly, even with all that noise, this is a seriously impressive output. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. To properly fix this, I'm going to quickly chuck this sketch into Photoshop, clean it all up onto a crisp white background, and try the whole process again. Trust me, this next run is going to be miles better. Right, so I've popped my messy sketch into Photoshop, dropped the opacity right down, and now I'm just tracing over the main lines with a soft brush. Nothing too crazy, no heavy detailing. I just need a clean, neat layout on a crisp white background so the AI knows exactly what I'm looking for. Honestly, if I'd just taken a bit more care on a fresh white piece of paper from the start, we could have skipped this step entirely. But hey, look at the bright side. This way, the video works perfectly whether you love sketching on real paper or you prefer doing a quick digital mock-up in Photoshop. Right, I'll just make those eyes a bit bigger and there we go. That should do the trick. I think that's a much better starting point. Now, let's chuck this back into the Illustrator Beta and see what we get. I'm just going to nudge our first attempt and its result over to the side, purely so we can do a proper side-by-side comparison later and see the difference. Okay, let's select our nice clean sketch and hit that Sketch to Vector button once more. Oh my days, this is absolutely mind-blowing. I am genuinely speechless. That is a cracking result. This literally means you don't need to go out and buy heaps of expensive gear or spend agonizing hours meticulously tracing every single line just to get a clean digital character or vector asset. You literally just grab a scrap piece of paper, jot down a quick sketch to get your idea across, and let the AI surf up a high-quality vector on a silver platter. And because this is a proper vector now, we can scale it up as huge as we want, tweak the paths, and it's completely ready to use in your projects. In just a second, I'm going to show you how we can take this a step further and use a prompt to color the whole thing up automatically. But just stop and think about that for a second. If it can do this from a raw sketch, what kind of madness can it pull off when you combine your drawing with a clever text prompt? What do you guys think? Is this an absolute game changer for your workflow, or do you think it's a bit unnecessary? Right, so once we delete all the white background bits, we're left with nothing but flawless, crisp outlines. Perfection! Now, I'm going to select our main vector, head over to the Properties panel on the right, and type in a quick little prompt describing the exact colors I want to see. Let's hit that Generate button, and wow! Okay, now that is an absolutely brilliant result. The beauty of this is that you can completely hand the coloring over to the AI, like I just did, or you can go in and tweak things manually. If you want to change a specific color, it's honestly so simple. Just grab your direct selection tool, click the exact shape you want to change, and swap the color out. It's that easy. You could even sketch in your own shadows and highlights manually, but honestly, I reckon the AI can handle that for us as well. So let's just clear that back for now. And there you have it. Just look at where we started and where we managed to get to in just a matter of minutes. From a rough, messy scribble on a plain old piece of paper to a clean, fully editable, high-quality vector asset. I genuinely want to know what you lot think about this, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more useful tutorials like this, make sure to smash that like button. Until the next video, see ya!